A neighbor's bee swarm escaped. She's trying to catch it, but I don't think they're going to cooperate it. I think they're back on the move. I may have to bail into the house at any moment because I don't have a bee suit. Oh dear. That's a lot of bees.